Hello everyone, myself Mr. Sunil Datta Kulkarni, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today I am going to deliver video session on refrigeration introduction. In this video session, we are going to discuss the fundamentals of refrigeration. At the end of this session, students will be able to state definition of refrigeration and air conditioning, various applications of refrigeration, as well as student will be able to explain the unit of refrigeration used in refrigeration industry. Contents of this video session are definition of refrigeration and air conditioning, applications of refrigeration and unit of refrigeration. Now let us see the introduction of the refrigeration. In this, as we know that there are two categories of thermal devices. The first category is work producing devices, means from these devices we get the work output. For example, heat engine, under which the various examples of heat engine are IC engine, gas turbine, steam turbine. Under IC engine we have petrol engine, diesel engine or gas engines, etc. Then second category of thermal devices, work consuming devices. Now under work consuming we need to supply the work input for these devices so that these particular devices can perform their function. Under work consuming devices there are the devices like refrigerator, heat pump, compressor and pumps are falling. Now let us see the definition of terms refrigeration and air conditioning. So firstly, refrigeration. Now there are various definitions of refrigeration. So let us see first of all what do we mean by refrigeration. Refrigeration is the cooling of air oblique liquids or liquids, thus providing lower temperatures to preserve food, cool beverages, make ice and for many more applications which we are going to study shortly. Air conditioning. Now under air conditioning we do not call it as air cooling. Why do we call it as conditioning? Let us think for a while. So we call it as air conditioning because in air conditioning we do not control only temperature of air. There are various parameters which we control. So air conditioning is defined as simultaneous control of temperature, humidity, cleanliness and air motion. Because for comfort application of human being, it is not the only temperature which plays the role, but in addition to temperature, the humidity plays important role, as well as air should be clean, bacteria free, no dust, etc. And of course, the velocity at which air will be flowing plays an important role in comfort air conditioning. Similarly, under industrial air conditioning, in addition to temperature, the humidity also plays important role. Now, let us see the various definitions of refrigeration. Now, refrigeration can be defined as production of cool confinement with respect to surrounding. Means if we produce the temperature lower than surrounding, then we call it as a refrigeration. Similarly, we can say that artificial withdrawal of heat, producing a temperature lower than that which would exist. So in case of refrigeration, we withdraw the heat from the system or space to be cooled and we produce a temperature lower than the temperature which will exist. Similarly, refrigeration can be defined as science of providing or producing and maintaining temperature below that of surrounding. So when you produce the temperature lower than surrounding temperature, we call it as a refrigeration. Or in short, we can say that refrigeration is pumping of heat out of the system. Now let us come to the another term which we call it as a heat pump. So heat pump is exactly reverse of the refrigerator. In case of refrigerator, what we do is that we try to remove the heat from the system so that it can be maintained at a temperature lower than surrounding temperature or lower than the temperature which is prevailing in the system. Whereas in case of heat pump, we pump out the heat from the surrounding into the system. So here our desired effect is to add the heat into the space to be maintained at a higher temperature. So actually refrigeration machinery there is no much difference between refrigerator and heat pump as far as construction is concerned, but refrigeration machinery which does the heating is called as heat pump. So here our desired effect is heating, where in case of heat pump, whereas in case of refrigerator our desired effect is cooling. Now let us see the various refrigeration application. So first application is ice making. We know that we require the ice for various purposes. So for making of ice, the refrigeration plays an vital role. So we cool the water to a temperature lower than 0 degrees Celsius and we get ice. Similarly, for transportation of foods, now whenever the food is to be transported for a longer distances, for avoiding the perishing of the food, we need to maintain it at a particular temperature. The food can be transported above or even below freezing temperature. In case of industrial air conditioning, basically air conditioning is an application of refrigeration. So in industrial air conditioning, we require to maintain the particular parameters of temperature, humidity, etc. And depending upon that, we use the refrigeration for producing the required conditions in the industry. Fourth is comfort air conditioning. This branch is related to the comfort of human being. Again, it comes under the application of refrigeration. Now in chemical and other related industries, we require to maintain a particular temperature, or we need to cool a particular medicines. So there again the refrigeration plays a vital role. Medical and surgical aids, particularly for medical industry and surgical, for example in cryogenic for Parkinson disease, we use a probe which will be maintained at very low temperature to avoid the large amount of bleeding. So there again the refrigeration science plays a vital role in medical and surgical aids. Similarly, processing of food products and beverages. So while processing of these food products and beverages, we require to have a desired temperature which will be always lower than the surrounding temperature. Next is in oil refining and synthetic rubber manufacturing industry. Again, to maintain the required condition, refrigeration is used. And manufacturing and treatment of metals. So these are the important application. And freezing of food products. If we freeze the food products, they can last long for a more period of time without getting damaged. So again, this is one of the important application of refrigeration. Now coming to the unit of refrigeration capacity. Now when we say refrigeration capacity, it means it is the rating of our refrigeration system which indicate the rate of removal of heat. Means at what rate the heat is removed from the refrigeration system. The unit of refrigeration used in refrigeration industry is ton of refrigeration, denoted by capital TR. Now 1 ton of refrigeration is defined as the amount of refrigeration effect or heat that to be transferred at a particular rate produced during freezing of 1 ton, that is 1000 kg of water at 0 degrees Celsius to the ice at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. So if I want to convert the 1 ton of water into 1 ton of ice, both at from and at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours, whatever heat is to be removed, that is nothing but it's called as the 1 ton of refrigeration. Now let us see how we can derive the equation for 1 ton of refrigeration. So in SI units, latent heat of ice is 335 kilojoule per kg. So 1 ton of refrigeration will be equal to 1 ton means 1000 kg of ice multiplied by per kg we need to remove 335 kilojoules per kg. So this is the latent heat of fusion and in 24 hours. Therefore we can write the equation as 1000 into 335 divided by 24 hours, and if I multiply by 60 in the denominator, it will give kilojoules per minute. So 1 ton of refrigeration in SI units comes out to be 232.6 kilojoule per minute. But actually it is not the correct value, because theoretically 1 ton of refrigeration comes out to be in SI unit 232.6 kilojoule per minute. However, in actual practice it is taken as 211 kilojoule per minute. This is the standard value. The reason is the basic unit of refrigeration has been derived from American unit, that is BTU. Therefore, 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.5 kilowatt or 12,000 BTU per hour. Now, let us see how to calculate 1 ton of refrigeration in BTU. So, 1 ton is equivalent to production of cold at the rate at which heat is to be removed from 1 US ton of water at 32 degree Fahrenheit to freeze it into ice at 32 degree Fahrenheit in 1 day or 24 hours. So, we know that 1 ton of water in in US, 1 ton is equal to 2000 pounds. So, 2000 pounds into latent heat of fusion is 144 BTU per LB in 24 hours. So, divide by 24 hours. So, it comes out to be 12,000 BTU per hour, or which will be equal to, if you divide by 60, 200 BTU per minute. So, if we convert it into SI unit, then we get it as 1 BTU is equal to 1.055 kilojoule. Therefore, conversion of ton into equivalent SI unit is 1 ton is equal to 200 into 1 point, that is 211 kilojoule per minute. So, 1 ton is equivalent to 3.5167 kilowatt. So, this is why this is the actual value which is used in refrigeration industry. These are the references. Thank you.